Hey y'all, welcome back to another edition of Fefe Shenanigans. Let me show you what I got. Today I've got some shredded Munster. I've got some shredded Gouda. I've got shredded Mexican blend, shredded mozzarella, and I got cream cheese, and I've got some Gruyere shredded cheese. See that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a macaroni. It's homemade macaroni. See? I'm going to use these little bitty old rotini noodles. And it's going to be for one, so it'll be in one of the little silver aluminum pans that I do. So let me get my noodles to boiling, and then I'll come back and you'll watch me put the cheeses together for the noodles. Okay? We'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. I got my container. I got an egg. So this is what we're going to... I got the macaroni on the stove, boiling away. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one egg. We're going to do this much cream cheese. I'm debating if I want to put all of it in there. But that's all we're going to do because we've got all these other cheeses to put in there. So we're just going to stop there, you guys. Okay. This is the Gouda shredded cheese. Let's see. Very light flavor. Just a little bit of this. About that much you add to your liking. So this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, a 5 cheese. I have to look at why they call these cheeses. I know why they call mozzarella. Munster cheese. There's nothing special about these cheeses, y'all. Not like they do razor. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. Keep it 100. Now Gruyere, Swiss Gruyere. That's a lot of cheese, ain't it? That's a lot of cheese. I don't think it was anything special. Now I'm gonna put these cheeses up, get my butter, and get my trash up, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, I'm back. Guess what I got going here? I got my cheeses, my macaroni is done. So we're going to put some onion, garlic powder, seasoned to taste. Garlic powder, seasoned to taste. Just a little bit of salt because I'm sure the cheese is sauteed. Alright, black pepper. Okay. Gotta have your pepper. It's good for you. You know, lowers blood pressure. Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Okay. So, these are the cheeses that we put together. And I thought I was going to have my little, the egg, the cream cheese, and the 5 other cheeses. I thought I was going to have my aluminum pan that I put my lasagna rolls in it, but the kids decided to do something with it, so I don't know what's in it, guys. But they probably throw it away because it is disposable. Get one use out of them. Okay, so this is the egg and cheese mixture. Okay. Gonna get that cream cheese dispersed up in there real good. You know, that's what's gonna give it the pow factor. Okay, so got the cheese mixture. Now we're gonna add it to. We're gonna stir this up first. Get this a little bit more well incorporated. So what I'm going to have to do as an alternative, you guys, is I'm going to have to use this Corning. If you know anything about Corning ware, it's microwave and onion safe. So I'm going to use this. And remember, we're learning to cook for one. So in 2019, we're going to save money, we're going to save food, we're going to save it all, y'all. So here we go. So we're just going to mix those two and incorporate the two. And if you've seen my other videos, y'all know I'm putting bread in the air fryer, y'all. Making bread in the air fryer. I really don't have no need for a stove other than boil water. Oh, I didn't ask y'all how y'all was doing today. How was y'all day doing? How are y'all feeling? What are y'all doing? Are y'all going to try this recipe? This is more than enough for one person. So, I was trying, and you guys, I only used a cup of macaroni. That was it. Yep, I'm making a mess. So now, you guys, now we're going to transfer this into this dish. And then I think what we're going to do, I think what's going to work for us is we're going to put it in the oven or my air fryer for 15 minutes. That's what we're going to do. So, I don't know if this is going to be 2 servings or 1. It looks like it might be 2, y'all. But you know, we're going to do this Fefe style, y'all. We're going to make this work. If nothing else, we're going to make it work, okay? Even we got to bake it and cut a slice out of it. We're going to make it work. Sorry about the noise, you guys, with the glass and the... Thank you. So, we're going to get our remnants because we don't want to waste nothing. Okay, y'all. Get this kind of settled down in here. And then the next thing we're going to make is we're going to make some manicotti. Manicotti, y'all. And V-Woo, thank you for reminding me. I forgot I even had a box of manicotti, honey, noodle sitting up in the pantry, honey. I sure pulled the manicotti noodles out because we're going to do at least 2. You know, nobody really eats what I eat unless they're in the mood for it. So, now these breadcrumbs, I put butter. Butter. That's all I did, y'all. So, y'all, this is what we're going to do. We're doing this all Fefe style. Okay, voila, y'all. Okay, the only thing we're going to do is we're going to put this in the air fryer, 400 for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. That is it. That is it. That is all. I'll be back. Hey, guys. While we're waiting on the mac and cheese to finish. Look at this bad boy. Oh, yeah. Ooh, let me see. Oh, nice. Okay. So we got to cut this bad boy so he'll lay a little bit straighter. So how you do that is you make little scores in them like this. Then they'll kind of flatten out. So, do one right there. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do is stick it right in the middle, y'all. Because I don't want them to turn on me. I want them to stay, I don't want them to curl. You know, y'all know what I mean. So I took one piece of bacon. If I could stand the heat from jalapenos, I could put a jalapeno on here, but you're not gonna, there we go, y'all. And voila, only thing I did was put some salt and pepper and some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And y'all, guess what we got? Bam, bacon wrapped shrimp. I don't even know what our meal gonna be, y'all. I'm just cooking stuff. But guess what? We're gonna get into it because this is Fefe. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back and let me show you the finished product. Dun, 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 dun. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see. And I'll just put it in the air fryer for 15 minutes, y'all. Not bad. Now y'all know, if it came out bad, I wouldn't even upload the film. So, just use what you got and work it out. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. That's all you need. And a little butter. Your cheeses, you're good to go. Alright, y'all. Till my next shenanigans. Have a good one. Bye.